Hey y'all, welcome to Farm Girl Friday. Today we are off the farm. Take a guess where we're at. Hey y'all, so welcome to our camping spot here at Denton Farm Park. So me and Petey are here for the week, taking some time off from the farm. This is our 4th of July tradition that we've had for 51 years in our family. Coming out here and living this simplistic lifestyle with all these like-minded people is so special for us every single year. This is the only and best way to spend the 4th of July, out here with tractors and steam engines in a tent. So not many people primitive camp because it's so hot. For the first 2 days it was a nice 85 degrees, 90 degrees. Yesterday and today it's close to 100. Today it's going to feel like 108. So we don't know if we're going to stay tonight in camp or not, but we are going to try our best. We've had a great week and we just wanted to share our experience with y'all. It's unusual for us to be off the farm, and this is the one time a year where all of us come off the farm. Daddy and Papa come about every day just to check on us, bring us more ice, things from home. And Mama, she stays at home and does all of our chores for us, and we're very grateful to her. And then she'll come down 1 or 2 days and come spend some time with us. We got to hear Jason Krabs sing yesterday. That was really fun. Elvis is singing tomorrow. So there's all kinds of fun things to do here at Denton Farm Park. If you ever get the chance to come, we highly recommend it. For something that has kept us busy and entertained for the past 51 years in our family, your family will enjoy it too. Thank you for watching. My little baby brother here that it's hotter than snot. Everybody hates that saying, but you know where it comes from? I just watched it the other day. It came off of Sandlot, because I watch it every 4th of July, and one of the boys on it says it's hotter than snot when it technically was hotter than snot. So, hey Daddy! I was talking about how hot it was. It's hot. I think the high today is 98 and it feels like 113. And we're in the heat of the day right now. So, here we go. They make one run, that's all they do. They make one run a day.
Do they keep these? They just let these wagons sit out there?
No, they're the sheds. All these sheds, they keep all their stuff.
Yeah, when the people come on tractors, they have to move them out.
Thank you for watching, y'all.